Hi people and welcome to my new video. So today we have something special. We have a new entry in the Pokemon series. Uh, this is the Pokemon Y from the past generation of Nintendo systems, just to show how Pokemon games looked on the previous system. Of course, we got Sun and Moon after that, but yeah, I'm not a big fan of those games. I know that there are people who like it, but I liked X and Y more. So yeah, let's see what we have here today. We have, of course, Nintendo Switch, right? This is the system which Pokemon Sword and Shield are released for. And I have a copy of Pokemon Sword. It's still sealed. The thing is, this morning my friend and I uh, we searched almost every gaming shopping in the city, but everywhere new Pokemon games are sold out. And we find only one store that still got it. So he picked up Shield version. I took Sword version that we can play and share Pokemons and stuff like that. We always do that. So yeah, let's open it and see what is inside. I know there is a lot of negative backlash about these games, but this is the release date, so I don't know why are people so mad. I mean, I know I'm not stupid, but I understand arguments of complaint, but yeah, I love Pokemon. I will always play those games. Yeah, this is the seal from the store. Ooh, yeah. I just turned off the light. So yeah, Switch game box like usual. Nothing too much special. On the cover art, we got, of course, Pokemon Sword logo on it. Ooh, yeah, I like the art inside. It looks kinda cool. This is the cartridge itself. Looks really small, of course. Kinda cute. So yeah, on the back we have like a presentation of Gala region and what we can do. And play modes, of course we can play in handheld and TV, and we can play with the Joy-Con. It supports 2 to 4 players local play and 2 to 4 players online. Yeah, blah blah blah. There is a special mute. Oh, this is what is inside. Yeah, nothing special. So yeah, I will take the game itself out. I know my videos are not doesn't have a big production quality. I'm just enthusiast in Nintendo games, including Pokemon. Yeah, my kid played FIFA previously. Yeah, I popped up the game for the first time in the system. Yeah, let's see. It will take some updates, like first day updates or something. This is me in the screenshot. By English, of course. Okay. Yeah, I will skip it. I will pause the video and I'm trying to spare some time because video is going to be probably too long. About, I don't know, 15 minutes or something. This is just unboxing and the first impressions. Let's see what is here. So yeah, this is the first time I watching this. I didn't watch other YouTube channels. So yeah, I suppose this is the new professor, like every time in the Pokemon. I'm not sure. Or something. It looks really nice in the handheld mode. Yeah, this is the prologue, like always. What is this? Yeah, I'm gonna pause the video and skip all of this. You probably don't want to see everything, but yeah, graphics looks nice for now. I don't know if this is the in-game engine or. Oh, something happened. I seen this guy in the trailers, but I didn't pay attention who he is. He's like some Leon. Yeah, I will pause the video. Whoa. Cool. This was like the prologue scene. Cute. Oh my god, this look gorgeous. So yeah, I suppose this is my mother. Nice room. I have, as you can see, I have a problem with Joy-Con drift. I need to fix that. Nice room. Oh, it's a Switch. Like in every Pokemon game, you have a current Nintendo system. The latest video game console is seated by the telly. It doesn't say Switch. In the X and Y, it says you have a Wii U. I remember it. And in every game, it says the name of the system, but here it says the latest video game console is sitting. Let's see what's in telly. I need to pick up a bag. Yeah. So yeah, I'm outside and the game looks like, I don't know, some anime or something. It looks beautiful. Of course, I showed the X and Y game on the 3DS on the beginning of video. So I compared that to this. I don't know why people complaining about the looks of the game. It looks beautiful. I mean, this is just first impressions, but yeah. I hate that Joy-Con drift problem. I hope. This is the initial town, and it looks bigger than in any other Pokemon game. If you remember Red and Yellow, this looks gorgeous. I love Red. This is my that was my first Pokemon game. I played it on my friend's monochrome Game Boy. We didn't have a Game Boy Color back then. We are in my friend's house. Yeah, that is always the same in every Pokemon game. Nothing special yet to talk about besides the graphics. Evo ga. I'm trying to save time to put video shorter. I wanted to go into the grass, but yeah, of course I don't have Pokemon yet. This is the menu. Town looks beautiful. I'm gonna I'm gonna put the Switch into dock to see how it looks on the big screen. I will pause the video again. So yeah, I put the Switch into the dock just to see how it looks. And I'm using a Pro controller now. So yeah, I skipped a bit. I am at the point where I need to choose my starter Pokemon, and I think that I will take a Fire type for now. I'm completely blind into this. I didn't watch the evolutions on the internet and stuff like that. And I have to say, it's much easier to play with Pro controller than with the drifting Joy-Con. Scorbunny. Zack Rabbit. Scorbunny. Okay. I will. No, I will not nickname it. Let's put it like that. Okay. Cool. So yeah, I skipped the video until my first battle because nothing special is not going on except that I took. Yes. Yes. Oh yeah, finally. It's much quicker than in other Pokemon games, but I just wanna. Too much dialogue for stuff like that. Okay, let's try out tackle, of course. Yeah, nothing special for the first fight. I'm not. Yeah. Huh. Rocky. Oh, cool. Let's try Amber. Yeah, he's a grass type Pokemon. It's super effective on him. This is like tutorial, yeah. First fight is always like tutorial. I'll tackle him. Ooh. so I'm gonna switch to the Switch. So yeah, I'm in the handheld mode again, and I have to say, yeah, it's first impressions are good. I'm not I'm not disappointed with anything for now. It's just beginning of the game. So yeah, I'm in the forest. I will probably have my first encounter with wild Pokemon. Just a second. This is my triangle. Once more. I don't have any Pokeballs for now. So yeah, when I have Pokeballs, I will catch Pokemon and stuff like that. I will make another video to compare Sword and Shield with my friend. But for now, I just wanted to show you this. So yeah, this is the forest. You can see how it looks. And compare it to 3DS. So yeah, it's definitely the upgrade. So yeah, I will play those Pokemons probably the whole weekend. But to give you my first impressions, yeah, I don't think the game is bad as a lot of people have. I don't know. It's just the backlash because they are disappointed with some stuff. But I think that game looks good. I will play it for the weekend, and I will give a little more thoughts about it, and I will compare it. I will compare Sword to the Shield with my friend, and yeah, that's all for me for today. And yeah, in next video I will tell you do I recommend the game or not. For now, first impressions are really great, but that's just me. So yeah, bye people. Hi.